What's the meaning of broiler? Broiler. Broiler.
Broiler. Broiler. The term broiler typically refers to a young chicken that is raised for meat production. These chickens are bred to be harvested at a young age, usually around 6 to 8 weeks old, and are typically raised in indoor facilities where they are fed a high-protein diet and kept under controlled conditions. The result of raising broilers is the production of large quantities of chicken meat that can be sold for human consumption. Broiler meat is widely used in the food industry and can be found in a variety of dishes, from fast food sandwiches to gourmet restaurant meals.